Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Clean and Everything Between. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be the first one to know when I post a new video. Today, I have for you a delicious and super refreshing ramen noodle salad. Let's get into it by checking the ingredient list. You're going to need 2 packs of any kind of ramen noodles, coleslaw medley, green seedless grapes, orange slices, bacon bites, edamame, peanuts or any other nut, and a salad dressing. I will be making my salad dressing from scratch, but you can use any dressing of your liking. Start by boiling some water and adding your ramen noodle to cook. It is important to note that I will not be adding the seasoned package that comes with your ramen noodle to this water. I cook my noodles for about 3 minutes. This is what they look like. I will remove this from the water and set aside. In the meantime, I will prep my dressing. Add to a bowl a half a cup of rice vinegar, a half a cup of sesame oil, a half a cup of peanut oil, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, about half a package of the seasoning package that comes with your ramen noodle, not all the way, just about half, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and whisk everything pretty well together. Guys, for the oranges, I will be using orange from a can, so that came in a pear sauce. So I will be adding to my dressing about 1 tablespoon of the pear juice that comes in that orange can. And again, whisk everything together and your dressing is ready. Now into a separate mixing bowl, add your already cooled and drained noodles. And here is where I break the noodles apart a little bit so they're not all stuck together. Now start adding your other ingredients. I will start with the coleslaw medley, and here you can always buy separate carrots and cabbage and just cut and make your own. I thought that this would be much easier for me just to get the little bag of a coleslaw medley and go for it. Now the seedless grapes, and I just washed them and cut them in half. 1 can of orange slices. A half a cup of bacon bits because bacon makes everything better. 1 cup of edamames. 1 cup of peanuts. And some fresh scallions for a little bit of taste. And last but not least, our salad dressing. Now give this salad a good toss, cover and let it chill for about an hour. Guys, this salad is very versatile. If you don't like anything that I put in my salad, of course you can always remove it. You can change up the fruits, you can add some pineapple, mango, whatever you like, and this salad will come out just as fabulous. You can serve this super refreshing salad as a side dish, or sometimes what I like to do is just to grill either chicken or steak, cut, add to it, and you will have a super delicious meal in less than 20 minutes. You can't beat that. If you are still watching, make sure to like this video. That helps the channel so much. Share with anyone you think will enjoy and leave me a comment. Tell me, what is your favorite side dish? And there you have it, an easy, delicious, fast to make, and super refreshing ramen noodle salad. You can make this all summer long, change up the ingredients a bit, and you will enjoy every single time, I promise you. As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. Your love and support are very much appreciated. Thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next video. Ciao!